Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any image into a cartoon effect. It's very simple. I've already created one more tutorial on the same topic, but in that I've created an action of the same thing that I'm going to do today. So either you can use that tutorial and just run it with the action command. If not, you can see how I'm doing it manually today. But before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe for further updates and click the bell icon also to get all the updates. So let's get started. The first thing is open your image, and my size is 1500 by 1125. It's better to have a bigger size so that it looks more like a cartoon image. Smaller the image, the less it looks like a cartoon. So let's keep it big. Okay. So let's rename this layer to say layer 1. Layer 1. Great. Now duplicate it 2 times by pressing Ctrl J, or you can just copy it down, drag it here, leave it, drag it here and leave it. Okay. Now hide the top 2 and use layer 1 and go to filter, filter gallery, select the poster edges option. It's under the artistic menu, and keep the values as 0, 0 and 2 and hit OK. Then keeping the same layer selected, you go to filter, sharpen, unsharpen, mask. Keep the values as 90, keep it as 5 and threshold as 10 and say OK. Keeping the same layer selected, again go to filter, stylize, oil paint. In some versions the oil paint option can be over here, but in this version it is over here, oil paint. I'll set the values as 4, 3, 0.1 and rest all as 0. If you don't want any of the shading, you can use lightings. It will make a little difference in this area, but it's better you keep the lightings on. In some pictures this marks can go, in some pictures it cannot go, but for now I'm going to keep it as it is, as 4, 3, 0.1 and 0. And once I'm happy with that, I'm saying OK. Again I'll go to filter, sharpen, unsharpen mask, but this time I'm going to reduce it to 65 and threshold as 5, and I'm going to put OK. Now let's rename this layer to say effect, or you can name it to a subject. Now highlight the next layer and select the next layer. Once that is selected, again go to filter, filter gallery, under artistic, poster edges, and we'll keep it as 0, 3 and 6 and say OK. Now go to filter, again oil paint, keep the values as 4, 3, 0.1, 0, 0, 0 and hit OK. You can see the picture is beginning to take shape into a cartoon effect. Now I'll make the blend mode as overlay, and I will decrease the opacity to say 25%. You can decrease it to how much you want. If you want it bright, you can keep it as it is. And you can rename this as, you can see this is adding a lot of outlines to the picture. So I'll rename this to outlines. Now select the third layer, highlight it, go to filter, other, and I'm going to select high pass. I'm going to keep the radius as 2 only, and I'm going to say OK, and change this blend mode to overlay. That's it. So you see the cartoon effect is ready. Now it's all done in 3 layers and it's really simple. If you follow this same technique with the same values, it should work in 95% of your images. And you can always play around with the values to see what suits best, but 95% of the time it will work in these images. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please practice it, and any comments please leave it below. Please do try my actions tutorial of the same concept of converting pictures into cartoon. If not, you can always use the manual way I'm doing it right now. So please subscribe with the bell icon, and please do wait for further updates. Thank you, and see you soon for my next tutorial.